The big central banker meeting in Jackson Hole is behind us, and the big labor market report on Friday is in front of us. Welcome to the weekly update of the Werthstein Institute. Janet Yellen, the chief of the Federal Reserve, said more clear than before that we have to expect one rate hike. What did the equities do? How do they react? They don't fall, they rise. And that's good and gives a sign of the strength of the market, because normally rate hikes are not good for the market. It means bigger competition for equities, but how big is this competition if the interest rate is, instead of 0.25, 0.5? That's not really big, and that's the reason. And the reason is the market participants now know what they have to expect. On Friday, the labor market report will be very interesting. The last two had been very strong. If this is also very strong, speculation will be there that the next rate hike is already in September. That could be a trigger for a correction, because the short-term optimism in Wall Street is a bit high, and that normally runs into or leads into a correction. We from the Werthstein Institute thinks this is a buying opportunities, because, as I pointed out, more or less shares are alternative less. Buying opportunity is a good point for one of our Zeitgeist for biotech. There had been a very interesting discussion about medicine called EpiPen. So the maker of that doubled the price in one step, and Hillary Clinton jumped directly on that, and that brought a discussion. What brings biotech shares a bit down on the Nasdaq, of course, but we also think this is a buying opportunity, because these discussions show how important this industry is and what opportunities are there. That's for the moment the weekly update. I want to bring your focus directly already on the next big Werthstein show on the 8th of September, 8 o'clock. We will launch it here. And I say goodbye until next week for the next weekly update of the Werthstein Institute.